Good day, people. That's an Opel Astra 2011 model. As you can see, it's a turbo 1.6 Opel Astra Vauxhall 2011 model. Uh, we have a slight problem here with this plug. The internet say and ChatGPT and every social media say this plug must come underneath the fuse box. But we did remove the fuse box uh, and check underneath it because there is no plug to be found underneath the fuse box. If anyone can assist us, we will appreciate it because this car, it don't want to start at all. It doesn't want to crank to start when you put on the ignition. But if you put a wire from the starter motor to the battery and just starts on the positive side of the battery, the car cranks, but it also don't want to start. If any mechanic or auto electrician can assist us, we will appreciate it. Or if somebody can put on a video that shows where this plug must come in, but it must be exact the same car, 2011 1.6 turbo Opel Astra. We will appreciate it. Or can show us a full video where this loom must come to connect to this one. Thank you very much, people. Appreciate it. As you can see, this is how the car looks. A 2011 model Opel Astra. Thank you.